Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to connect Godaddy domain with a Hostinger. So let's get started. So this is our Godaddy domain and we are going to connect it with our Hostinger web hosting. So let's see how we can do it. At first we need to log into our Hostinger Edge panel, and under the hosting section we will see our web hosting plan. Next to it we will see a manage button, so we are going to click on it. Now from the left menu we are going to click on website, and after that we are going to click on add website. Now from here we are going to select other, and after that we are going to click on skip create an empty website. Now we are going to select use an existing domain, so we are going to select it. After that we need to copy our domain name and paste it here. So we are going to copy it from here and paste it here, and after that we are going to click on continue. So now we need to change the name servers of our Godaddy domain. So these are our domain existing name servers and we need to change them to these name servers. So we will go to our Godaddy account, and next to our domain name we will see a DNS option. So we are going to click on it, and after that we are going to scroll down to the bottom, and here we will see a name servers, and below it we will see a change button. So we are going to click on it, and after that we are going to click enter my own name servers advanced. So now we need to copy the name servers from the Hostinger and paste them here. So we will go back to our Hostinger website. So we will copy the first name server from here and paste it here. After that we will copy the second and paste it here. So after that we need to click on save changes from the Godaddy, and then we will go back to our Hostinger account and then click on continue. So in this way our Godaddy domain will be connected to our Hostinger web hosting. So this is how you can connect Godaddy domain with a Hostinger web hosting. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.